This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your Roblox Game Passes. It's important to know that once a Game Pass is created and sold, it becomes a permanent part of your experience. You cannot simply delete it from the Roblox platform. However, there is a very effective way to remove it from public view and prevent further purchases. This process is called archiving, and it's the best method to handle any game pass you no longer wish to offer to your players. To begin, you'll need to access your Game Passes. First, open your web browser and go to the Roblox Create page. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu. Select Creations from this list. Next, find and click on the specific experience that contains the Game Pass you want to manage. Within that experience's settings, look for associated items and then click on Game Passes to view all your created passes. Once you are on the Game Passes page, carefully locate the specific Game Pass you intend to archive. Next to each Game Pass, you will find a small gear icon or 3 horizontal dots. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Archive. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Click Archive again to finalize the process and remove the Game Pass from public availability. After successfully archiving a Game Pass, it will no longer be visible to players in your experience or on the Roblox marketplace. This means no new purchases can be made for that specific pass. It's important to remember that archiving is not permanent deletion. You retain ownership. Should you change your mind, you can easily unarchive the Game Pass at any point, making it available for purchase by players once more. This offers great flexibility in managing your offerings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.